If you give me just a few minutes, I'm going to show you a unique breakout strategy that uses a powerful, volume-based indicator to spot high-probability moves right as they happen. This isn't about guessing where price might break out. It's about knowing when big money has just stepped in and confirmed the move with strength. It's built around the Volumatic support resistance levels indicator by BigBeluga, and once you learn how to combine it with one more filter, you'll see the market in a completely different way. First, let's add the main indicator. Open TradingView, load any chart and any time frame you want, then go to the Indicators tab. Type in Volumatic support resistance levels and select the one by BigBeluga. The moment you add it, you'll see green zones for support and red zones for resistance. Inside each zone, there's a histogram fill that shows how much trading activity happened there. The thicker and darker it is, the more volume was concentrated at that level. You'll also notice small circle markers on some zones. Those are high volume alerts telling you that a spike in participation hit that price. And the most important visual cue is the orange candles. These highlight the exact bars that cause those volume spikes. Before we trade with it, let's quickly set it up. Open the settings from here and go to the Inputs tab. Change the length to 100. The resistance max volume percent and support max volume percent are set to 80 by default, but I lower them to 50 so the indicator picks up more zones and gives more potential setup. The bar's max volume percent controls when candles turn orange, and I leave it as is. In the Style tab, keep all visual elements on zones, markers, and orange bars so you have the full picture. Now here's the strategy. The first thing we need is trend direction and volume strength, so we'll add another indicator. So open the Indicators tab again from here, and then search for the Volumatic Variable Index Dynamic Average, also known as VIDIA, again by BigBeluga. Go to Indicators, search for it, and add it. First of all, we will also change the settings of this indicator to set it according to our strategy. Open the settings. In the settings, set length to 100, leave momentum at 20. Then in the Style tab, keep only the first plot on and turn off the second plot and the lines. This will give you a big colored trend cloud, green for bullish, red for bearish, plus a data panel that shows buy volume, sell volume, and delta volume. Delta volume is the percentage difference between buying and selling volume, and we'll use it to confirm strength. For a buy setup, we need 4 things to happen.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
First, the VIDIA trend cloud must be green, telling us the market is in a bullish phase. Second, we want to see an orange candle that breaks above a red resistance zone. Third, before that breakout candle, the most recent green support zone should have 2 small green dots on it. This tells us there was a strong volume spike at support before the breakout. Finally, check the delta volume in the panel and make sure it's above plus 10%. If all those conditions are true, we take the buy as soon as that breakout candle closes. The stop loss goes just below the breakout candle's low, and we target at least 1.5 times our risk. It is as simple as that. For a sell setup, it's the mirror opposite. First, the trend cloud must be red. Second, we want to see an orange candle that breaks below a green support zone. Third, before that breakdown candle, the most recent red resistance zone should have 2 small red dots on it, confirming a strong volume spike at resistance before price collapsed. Lastly, delta volume must be below minus 10%. If all those conditions line up, we take the sell at the candle close, stop above the breakout candle's high, and target 1.5 times the risk. Now let's look at some examples so you can see this play out in real time. In the first buy example, the market is trending higher with the trend cloud solid green. We had a green support zone form with many green dots at this level, showing heavy buying volume at that level. Price pushes higher and eventually approaches a red resistance zone. Then we get a strong orange candle that not only tags that resistance, but breaks cleanly above it on the close. Delta volume reads above 10%, confirming that the breakout is backed by strong buying pressure. With all conditions met, I enter a buy at the close of the breakout candle. The stop loss, as explained, can be set just below its low. And if I run the trade, we can see the price takes off almost immediately and hits 1.5R in less than half the time I expected. In the second buy example, we again have a green trend cloud from the VIDIA. Support is established with green dots marking a heavy volume spike. Price consolidates just under a nearby red resistance zone for several bars, building pressure. Then, an explosive orange candle rips through that resistance and closes well above it. Delta volume is completely above 10%. This is a textbook signal. We can open the sell position right there, and the stop loss can be set under the breakout candle, and some position may move very progressively and hit your take profit target at once, and some may take their time. You can also use the trailing stop loss and take profit method. Now let's go through some sell trade examples. In the first sell example, we can see the VIDIA trend cloud is deep red, showing a strong bearish environment. Resistance formed earlier with 2 red dots, marking the spot where sellers really stepped in. Price drifts sideways for a bit, then an aggressive orange candle smashes through a green support zone and closes below it. Delta volume is below -10%. So selling pressure is dominant. So we can open a sell position over here. The stop loss can be set just above its high, and then just let the price continues to slide smoothly and hit the take profit target. In the second sell example, we're in another red trend environment on the VIDIA. The market had printed a resistance zone with 2 red dots on it earlier, confirming strong sell side volume. After a short retracement, price approaches a nearby green support zone. Then, we get an orange candle that breaks straight through it and closes near the low. Delta volume is also below 10%. Everything lines up perfectly. And right at this place, a sell position can be opened. The reason this strategy works so well is that you're not trading every breakout you see. You're only trading the ones that have real structure behind them. A recent strong volume spike at a key level, trend alignment, and a delta reading that confirms one side of the market is fully in control. When all those pieces come together, breakouts have a much higher chance of following through instead of fizzling out. The Volumatic support resistance levels indicator shows you exactly where the market's conviction lies. The VIDIA tells you if the overall environment supports that breakout and whether the volume is heavily skewed to buyers or sellers. Put them together and you've got a clean, repeatable breakout strategy that works across markets and timeframes. Test it for yourself, practice spotting these perfect setups, and it could quickly become one of your most reliable trading tools. Thanks for watching the video. Till the end, I'll see you guys in the next video.